Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Xerus. We will learn about AutoCAD. This is the beginning tutorial for the AutoCAD learner. This is the first screen which you see when you entered your AutoCAD. This is the whole screen which you see. There are multiple options here. This is the place where you can open your recent documents. This is open file option, by using which you can open your file which you have saved. This is the option where when you will click, you will enter the AutoCAD where you can start your drawing. Now let us move inside the AutoCAD. To enter inside the AutoCAD, just click on Start Drawing. In Start Drawing, when you enter it, you will see this screen. This is the user interface of the AutoCAD. And the drawing space is from here to here. You draw only in this space. Your entire sketch and drawing is shown here. Now let us move to various options. First, if you want to open any file, you can just click on A and you can open it. For example, when you click, you can start your new drawings or open your file. Save and save as options are here. Next, let us move at the bottom corner. This below bar is the place where you can check some of your settings. For example, to show grid or to hide it, you have to click on this option. When I click on this option, the grid is gone. To activate it, just click on it. The next option is ortho option. This option is ortho option, and this option is polar tracking, object snap tracking, object snap cursor. In object snap cursor, you can see various options. For example, end point, midpoint, center, geometric center, node, quadrant, intersection, action, extension, insertion, perpendicular. To activate any of these, just click on any of the option in this button. If you want the center, just click on it. If you want end points, then activate end points. If you want tangent to any curve, just click on the tangent. Then you will see the tangent. I will explain you about these options in further videos. Now for being, let us just deactivate all these options. Then next option is your workspace switching, then decimal, and you can add anything from here. Suppose I want to delete decimal from here option, then the unit is gone. If I click again on unit, then it will come. To start your drawing, first you have to check your units. But before starting drawing, let us see what are the various options we have. Here home section, you have draw option, then modify option, then annotate, layers, block, properties, groups, utilities, etc. To start your drawing, you have to first click any of these options, then these are selected and you can start your drawing here. In draw option, you have line, polygon option, circle, arc, rectangular, ellipse, hatch. And in modify option, you have move, rotate, trim, copy, mirror, fillet, explode, offset, array, scale and stretch. In annotation option, you have text, dimension, linear dimension, etc. In layer, you have multiple properties. We will see each of these one by one. Let us see other options. Here, this is the command bar where you can see whatever you type or whatever you select, it will shown here. Suppose for example, if I type L for selection of line, if I click enter, it will show that I have selected line. The option besides my pointer selection is dynamic selection. Here you can enter your dimensions, first point and end point, it will draw your line. Now to escape from this, just start escape from your keyboard. Now let us draw some figures here. To draw a line, just click on line. Here, command bar shows that line is selected. To draw a line, just left click on your mouse and select first point. This is the first point. Here you can see there are two options. If you click tab, you will enter the angle option. This will show the how much angle here it is with the horizontal. Before drawing anything, just let us check the units. To check units, you can click on decimal option and check which option you had chosen. Here I had chosen decimal. To change any of these, just click units UN on your keyboard and press enter. When you press enter, you will see this. Here the type of your unit is decimal. There are multiple options: architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional and scientific. Next is precision, then angle, the type of angle. I had selected decimal degree. We had multiple options: radians, surveyor units, grades. Just let us select decimal degrees. Then here is precision. Change your precision to up to 3 decimal places. Then clockwise is positive. Let us go with conventional, that is anti-clockwise with positive. Insertion, the scale which we use is millimeter. There are multiple options: inch, feet, miles, etc. But for convenience, I am using multimeter. If your units are okay, then click OK. Now your units is selected. First, let us draw a line. To select line, click on either line or press L in your keyboard. When you press L, you can see the options here. For selecting line, click enter. When you click enter, you will see the line is selected. Here command bar also shows that line is selected. Specify first point. Then I click here and specify the first point. Suppose I want distance of 200. Here the dynamic selection is showing the option. Press enter 200 from your keyboard and I want it to be horizontal. That is angle is 0 degree. Either you can direct snap it or just enter 0 and press enter. You can get this. How to make 90-degree angle? Here the angle is varying. Either you can press tab on your keyboard and press the angle 90, then press enter. This will make your angle 90 degree. If you want to snap 90 degree, then click on polar tracking. Here the option for polar tracking is this. To activate your polar tracking, just click on polar tracking, it will be activated. Now your polar tracking is on. You can see your polar tracking and you can make 90 degree like this. Click on ortho mode. This is ortho option. Here ortho means the 90 degree. When you activate ortho option, you can see your line draw 90 degree. No angle is possible, only 90 degree is possible. This is all about line. Just let us select circle from the drawing tab. Click on the circle and then click for the center point. When you enter, you can see this is the radius option. Just press your left click to make the circle of radius of this length. Now you have draw your circle. If you want to move this circle from here to here, just click scroll button on your mouse and keep it pressing. Now move. You can see the hand option. The hand option will move it from here to there. Just let us keep it in the middle. To zoom in and zoom out, scroll down your scroll button. You can see the option of scroll down. For polar tracking, suppose if I want to select draw another concentric circle, our tracking is on. Just here you can see I am not getting the center option. To get center option, click here and click on the center. Just activate it. Now you will be able to track down the center point. You can see the center point. Just click on it and specify your radius of the circle. When you specify your radius of the circle, suppose I want 650 mm, just enter 650 and click enter on your keyboard. You can see this circle is of 650. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and keep on learning on Xerus AutoCAD. Thank you very much, guys.